Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Find all real number 8. Certifying the equation 2 power 8 plus 3 power 8 minus 4 power 8 plus 6 power 8 minus 9 power 8 equal 1. Before go to the solution, please don't forget subscribe, like and share the video. Go to the solution together. And then we have 2 power 8 plus 3 power 8 minus 4 power 8 plus 6 power 8 minus 9 power 8 equal 1. We know that for power 8, I can write 2 square or power 8. And I can write equal to power 2a, and I can write 2 power 8 all square. So we can write 2 power 8 plus 3 power 8 minus 2 power 8 all square plus 6 power 8. I can write 2 times 3 all power 8 and equal 2 power 8 times 3 power 8, and we can write 2 power 8 times 3 power 8 minus 9 power 8. We can write 9 power 8 equal 3 square or power 8, and I can write 3 power 2 8, and I can write 3 power 8 all square, and I can write 3 power 8 all square minus 1. Let 2 power 8 equal a, and 3 power 8 equal b. That a, b are positive numbers. So we can write. So we get a plus b minus a square plus ab minus b square equal 1. And I can multiply both sides of this equation by minus 1. We get minus a minus b and plus a square plus, minus ab plus b square equal minus 1. And I change minus 1 to the left side. I get a square plus b square minus ab minus a minus b plus 1 equal 0. And then I multiply both sides of this equation with 2. You can write 2 vector a square plus b square minus ab minus a minus b plus 1 equal 0. And we type in 2a square plus 2b square minus 2ab minus 2a minus 2b plus 2 equal 0. And then we get, I can write a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus a square minus 2a plus 1 plus b square minus 2b plus 1 equal 0. In the rule, we can get a minus b all square plus a minus 1 all square plus b minus 1 all square equal 0. The part is square, the part is square, and the part is square. So, the sum of square equals 0 must be the part is 0, the part is 0, the part is 0. We can write it a minus b equal 0, and then we get a equal b. A minus 1 equal 0, and we get a minus 1. B minus 1 equal 0, and we get b minus 1. So we get 8 equal b equal 1. But we let 8 equal 2 power 8 and b equal 3 power 8. So we get 2 power 8 equal 3 power 8 equal 1. We know that 2 power 8 equal 1. All those 8 equal 0. And 3 power 8 equal 1. All those 8 equal 0. So we get 8 equal 0. Thus 8 equal 0 is our solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. Bye.